Ready to find flexible work and get paid daily? Listen up. Veryable is the mobile marketplace for on-demand work with local manufacturing, logistics, and warehousing companies. It takes 4 easy steps for you to get started with Veryable. Let's go over the process. Step 1. Download Veryable Mobile App. Download the free Veryable app from the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store and create your user profile. You will be prompted to enter your name, cell phone number, email, and address. This personal information will be kept confidential. As soon as you download the app, you will be able to see work opportunities posted by local businesses and available to any operator in the area. Step 2. Complete your operator profile. If you're interested in bidding on any opportunities, you'll need to complete 3 prereqs. Number 1. Submit your background check. Number 2. Sign up for your Vault account. And number 3. Fill out and sign your W-9 tax form. You will finalize your operator profile when you fill out your skills, experience, and enter any certificates that you hold. Businesses posting the ops will see this info and decide who to choose. Step 3. Choose your work. Consistency is key here at Veryable. You don't have any ratings yet, but businesses can see that you are ready to work. Keep bidding and don't give up. It is important to bid on ops that you fit well with. Check your op fit before you bid. This feature allows you to see how well your profile matches with ops based on your skills and distance to the op before you actually submit a bid. And step 4, complete work and get paid. When you bid in on an op, you are telling that business that you are committed to work on that specific day, at that time, and for that pay rate. Once you have completed and worked an op, the money you earned will be transferred to your Veryable Vault account the next day. Veryable Vault is our fast and simple payment solution. Vault gives you big benefits like next day pay even on weekends, access to virtual and physical spending cards, fraud protection, and mobile payments through Google Pay and Apple Wallet. As an independent contractor, you are able to work as often as you like to enhance your Veryable resume and diversify your skill set. The Veryable mobile app is enabling a better workforce by giving you flexibility, work when and where you want, higher income, high performance leads to more work, and opportunity. Gain experience in a variety of roles across different businesses. Lastly, we wish you long-term success on our platform. Thank you for becoming an operator, and thank you for choosing Veryable.